All right, I sincerely do apologize over the hitch in that transmission. I had some technical issues that have just been fixed. I hope the live stream is going to be smooth right now. Okay, I'm indeed sorry about that. All right, let's proceed. We were talking about the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar in the daily time frame. We did analyze this pair before. We talked about the pin bar happening around that trend line in the daily time frame, and it's a possible sign that price will be pushing to the downside. Well, the quality of that pin bar is low, and that is why we didn't get involved with this trade. Here we have about how many pin bars? 3 pin bars already in a row, so we didn't want to get involved in that market confusion. So let's see the lower time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, let me take out this line. In the 4 hours time frame, we are having a possible range formation where we have that double top, this level acting as a support. So it's a possible range formation, and as you know, the market these days is very replete with ranges. Okay, so we didn't take that trade, and as of now there is still no valid trading opportunity until price breaks out of this range and begin to trade on a trending fashion. We need price to be to come alive. We need price to always trade in good momentum. All right, the euro against the American dollar. Well, we have been flat again, another range. You can see that flat right here. Nothing really happened for today. This was the open. Price is just around very close to the open, so the sideways day for today. Not much of trading opportunity for the with the euro against the American dollar currency pair. Okay, so in the daily time frame, you can also see how for the for a couple of days right now, prices are just within a particular location. That is bad for the forex traders. So also no trading opportunity here. Just avoid it. The American dollar against the the New Zealand dollar against the American dollar. We are taking note of this price behavior here as well, for a potential reversal to the downside. So please be very hesitant hitting your buy button at this particular location, because price is likely to turn down with this type of action here. Okay, be very hesitant clicking on your buy button. In the daily time frame, you can see several hesitation candles there. See that? Okay, so nothing to trade here. In the euro against the New Zealand dollar, again much of hesitation here as well. You can see that several candles. There is no valid trading opportunity, but the directional bias should be to the upside. We are looking for long entries, but no valid entry at this time. Remember, we analyzed this pair looking at this channel formation. Usually this type of channel breaks to the downside, and it has broken, but the breakout is in a very low volume. All right, the market momentum there is quite low, so we are not seeing the possibility of a cruise to the downside. Please be very apprehensive. Don't take any trade here. Just be patient. Let's wait for the best trading opportunity to present themselves. So we'll keep this level here as a support. We can now keep this one here. While marking this range in the 1 hour time frame. Let's see that. Okay, let's mark this. Let's keep this little range in the 1 hour time frame. Nothing much here. Sterling pounds against Australian dollar. The sterling pounds has taken the lead for today, being a very strong currency against other currencies. The 1 hour time frame, price has broken above this line. Let's remove that right now. Bring this above. I am sure we'll be finding trading opportunities very soon. If the momentum that we have seen today continues, we are likely to find valid trading opportunities soon. Bring this one right here. Nothing yet, nothing to click our buy or sell button. Still being patient with that. The American dollar against the Canadian dollar, still trading within this flat bottom triangle. Nothing there. Market volume is quite thin. The sterling pounds against the American dollar approaching resistance zone. Be very careful hitting your buy button right now on this pair. The flat top triangle in the 1 hour time frame has been broken, but too late in the day. We are not ready to trade anything here now. Sterling pounds against the Swiss franc, super bullish pair here within a channel in the daily time frame. Right here, aggressive traders will all be waiting around this level that has been acting as resistance. That is where they will be waiting, because price will likely find resistance once that level is hit. Now, this is the type of market condition, low volume market channel. This channel signifies that price is likely to come back down. So be careful as you search for your buy entries in the sterling pounds against the Swiss franc. This is a straight move without even a pullback, no looking back. No valid entry was given. We will still be patient, waiting to see if we will find any valid setup. For now, nothing. Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. What's going on here? Let's place a level of resistance here, being retested. This level of resistance is currently being tested again. Take out this line. This trend line is valid. We can keep that. The 1 hour time frame for today, it has been a sideways price behavior. Also, this type of market is highly untradeable. You will not be able to trade successfully at that area. The American dollar against the Swiss franc, just picking those levels of support and resistance within this wide range. Wide market range, price is flat, going nowhere. Avoid it completely. Don't trade here, just avoid the market completely. The euro against the Canadian dollar, all right, here also price is trading around daily level of resistance, that area. Be very hesitant clicking on your buy button. The 1 hour time frame, I wouldn't call this a trend collapse. A trend collapse with that breakout pullback and possible bounce to the downside. Why? Because this is the first high right here. It was never taken out. It was never taken out. So do not trade a trend collapse strategy there, for those of you who are familiar with the trend collapse strategy. The euro against the Swiss franc. Swiss franc is quite weak. Also, thin market volume for some time now. Okay, nothing here. Let's just keep this as price is taking out the previous swing high already. This one can go, can keep it somewhere in here, or the nearest level of resistance. Let's keep it around the nearest level of resistance, which is this one here. We already have a trend formation. Still early, still too early, no valid entry yet. Australian dollar against the American dollar, the exhaustion point. Exhaustion point, be careful going long. We are still searching for valid entries. Current market condition is quite a difficult one to find valid entries. Trading opportunities are very limited. Okay, nothing. Still range. Sterling pounds against the Canadian dollar. In the weekly time frame, we were actually talking about a possible flat bottom triangle, but prices tend to be breaking out of that upper leg. All right, in the daily time frame, this is a level of resistance. Price is trading around resistance area. Be very hesitant clicking on your buy button. Even though the trend to the upside was never tradable. The Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen, still market hesitation. Two solid down days, but we have now entered into hesitation right here. No valid trading opportunity. The euro against the sterling pounds, sideways price behavior. Price is currently trading in the middle of nowhere. It is very difficult to take a trading decision here, to click on your buy or sell button around here, because there is just no basis for that entry. If you were trading around this level here, which has been acting as resistance, you're looking for short entries, then that's your point of reference. Or around this area, you're looking for long entries, that's your point of reference. But in the middle of nowhere here, that's quite risky. Price can decide to just turn back up or keep pushing to the downside. So for now, the euro against the sterling pounds is just around this channel formation. It's trading within that range. It is not heading anywhere. There is no clear directional bias. Currently, it can bounce back up. It can keep pushing to the downside. Let's see the shorter time frames. The 4 hours time frame. No good level here. The 1 hour time frame. Now, the 1 hour time frame here looks a bit better. We saw a level that was holding price as support. Now it got broken. If price comes back up, it should be acting as resistance. This is a market flow setup for us. Okay, this is a prototypical market flow setup for us. It's a breakout from congested area. We're actually looking to trade that continuation move. You can see that congested area. Then we got this solid breakout. But for me, there's still going to be some troubles, because price went just too far. You want price to just immediately make that pullback for you to take that trading opportunity. So this push to the downside, in my opinion, is just too far. But at any rate, for those of you familiar with the market flow strategy of Hector Daville, this is a prototypical valid breakout from congested area, where we usually wait for the pullback, and from there on we look for our short entries. All right, so that's for tomorrow, not today. Today there is just no valid trading opportunity. Sterling pounds against the Japanese yen. Delete this. This one can be here. Okay, straight move today. Today was just a straight move. Price pushing to the upside without any pullback. No valid trading opportunity was given. Okay, so it's not your fault. Don't bother about that. Just let price keep doing its thing. Be patient. Keep searching for valid trading opportunities. Swiss franc against the Japanese yen, the daily time frame. Wide range there. For hours time frame, there is no trend collapse strategy here. No trend collapse setup. You can keep this. And this one here as resistance. All right, so still yet no valid setup for us in the forex market. Okay, with the type of market condition that we are having, it is quite difficult, extremely difficult to find valid trading opportunities. The market is not offering trading opportunities yet according to our trading strategy, so we have decided to remain patient for as long as it takes. Whenever we find a valid trading opportunity, then we will jump into the markets and trade. Okay, for now it is extremely difficult to trade in this type of market. Okay, it's very difficult to trade in this type of market. All right, so with today's momentum, we hope tomorrow will be better. We hope this momentum is going to continue. If it does, then we will begin to find valid trading setups to trade. Otherwise, it's more like a holiday where we just come over, look into the charts, finding valid trading opportunities, and if you're not, we just walk away again. Thanks for watching, and sorry for the hitch in the live stream. If you have questions or contributions, feel absolutely free to ask them in the live chat window or in the Telegram group. We'll be talking to you again before the London market opens tomorrow morning. Bye for now.